I've been wanting to share a little bit of my faith. And my second born son's name's Orion, and I wanted to let y'all know that if you're listening, if you have a relationship with God, he's talking. He's all the time. You know, I found that my foundation is best found in listening and obeying. And I wanted to share a little bit about a message he gave me one time through some crap. Okay, I found it quite appropriate that Orion Waste Solutions, my second born son, one of the things we're going to be talking about, though, when God was speaking to me about, you know, I was listening, I was standing over a crib of my firstborn son, Gideon, and I was just really being thankful and grateful for this little guy. He was about 4 months old or so, and I'm just sitting there soaking him up and praying and thanking God, and I'm just, all of a sudden, this kid he's asleep in his crib, and he takes this huge dump, and he just, you know, and he just smiles, and just smiling and stinking, reeking to high heaven. And I'm just like, that's so much of my life. So many times I'm in my own filth. I'm just in my own filth and totally oblivious. And I at some point, buddy, you got to wake up. You got to wake up and realize that you're going to need my help getting out of that. Okay? And that was just a message one time that God gave me. I was listening up, and he said, that's just like you and me, buddy. You'll be running around oblivious to your own filth that you're laying wreckage around. And I need you to just ask me for the help, and I'll get you out of it. So I really appreciated changing his diaper that day, and I hope y'all make it a great day. Bye-bye.